Welcome. In front of me is a Haylou Solar Lite, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the watch itself and its specifications. So I just pop it straight open. We do have a seal to cut through, so I'm going to do that right now. There we go. Oh, it's still holding. Oh, there we go. So sliding it out. There we go. Funny enough, this is the light one. It's pretty thin, but in terms of heaviness, it's actually heavier than the non-light version, which just felt like paper, just paper in hand. So that's a bit kind of odd thing that I just wanted to kind of point out, because the moment I picked out the non-light one out of the box, I wasn't sure if I got a prop in there without actual internals or if it was just an actual watch. This one is heavier for some reason. In terms of finish, I actually have to say it looks pretty slick. It has a pretty nice body around here, so it looks pretty good. Though the display right here, I can already say, unlike the other solar ones, like the non-light and the higher one, this one is using an LCD display. I don't even need to check the spec sheet, and it's not even using a one that has pretty good pixel count, so it is a bit pixelated and you can see it. The other ones use an AMOLED display, which will be much nicer in terms of quality. So let's close that out and take a look at the back right here. So we are looking at female health management. Consider it a reminder for menstrual cycles. I love the consider it part. 100 workout modes, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, 10-day battery life. 10-day is up to 10 days under daily mode. So I guess probably what they mean by daily mode is if you have it set to like the default mode without, like, for instance, the 24-hour heart rate monitoring. And we have also blood oxygenation tracking. Now I want to point out something which I find very funny. They always try to have 6 different things listed right here, and if we grab this one, which is the RS5, this one on the other hand side clumps up things like, for instance, health monitoring to not 3 separate freaking things, but just one: heart rate, blood oxygenation, and sleep monitoring. This one has so little features that they separate this health monitoring into 3 separate things. Just wanted to kind of point that out. Inside the box, we also have a charger and paperwork right here. The charger is basically the same one as all of them have, which is 2 little pogo pins magnetically attaching to the back of the watch. So there we go. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.